Before you choose any AI tool in 2026, listen to this carefully. One wrong choice can slow your YouTube growth for months. Today, I tested Claude AI and ChatGPT side by side for YouTube creators, and what I discovered completely changed how I use AI. In this video, you will see which AI writes better scripts, which one sounds more human in AI voice, which one saves more time, and which one actually helps your channel grow. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which AI fits your content style and how to use both like a professional creator. So don't blink, because the difference is not what most people expect. If you are a new YouTuber, a faceless creator, a content marketer, or someone planning to start YouTube in 2026, this comparison will help you avoid confusion and make smarter decisions. Most people think all AI tools are the same. But once you use them properly, you realize they behave very differently. Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most popular AI tools in the world. It is powerful, fast, and extremely flexible. You can use it for research, outlines, scripts, titles, descriptions, and even full YouTube automation workflows. ChatGPT focuses on structure, clarity, and logic. When you ask ChatGPT to write a script, it usually gives you organized points, clean explanations, and professional tone. Now let's talk about Claude AI. Claude AI is designed to feel more human. It focuses more on conversation, emotional flow, and storytelling. When Claude writes, the sentences connect smoothly. The tone feels warmer. The script feels closer to natural speech. Now let's test both as a YouTube creator. You open ChatGPT and type. Write a YouTube script about daily walking benefits for heart health and weight loss. ChatGPT gives you a well-structured script. It explains benefits clearly. It lists points. It sounds professional and informative. Now you open Claude AI and type the same prompt. Claude gives you a script that feels more like a story. The words feel softer. The flow feels smoother. It sounds like someone talking directly to the viewer. Both scripts are good, but the feeling is different. ChatGPT feels like a smart teacher. Claude feels like a friendly storyteller. Now let's talk about hooks. When you ask ChatGPT to write a hook, it usually gives you a strong and logical opening. When you ask Claude to write a hook, it often feels more emotional and curiosity-driven. For YouTube, this difference is very important because hooks decide whether viewers stay or leave. Now let's talk about rewriting. ChatGPT rewrites content in a clean and professional way. Claude rewrites content in a more natural and emotional way. If you want your script to sound formal and structured, ChatGPT works better. If you want your script to sound human and engaging, Claude often feels better. Now let's talk about long scripts. ChatGPT can write long scripts very consistently, but sometimes the tone feels neutral. Claude can write long scripts while keeping storytelling and emotional flow alive. This is why many faceless YouTube creators prefer Claude for narration. Now let's talk about conversation memory. ChatGPT remembers instructions well and follows structure carefully. Claude remembers tone, mood, and storytelling style more naturally. Now let's talk about creativity. ChatGPT is creative with logic. Claude is creative with emotion. Both are creative in different ways. Now let's talk about YouTube automation. For automation, you need scripts that sound natural in AI voice. Claude usually feels slightly smoother for AI narration. ChatGPT usually feels slightly cleaner for structured videos. Now let's talk about beginners. Beginners love ChatGPT because it explains clearly. Beginners love Claude because it feels friendly. Now let's talk about real creator workflow. Many successful creators in 2026 do not choose only one. They use ChatGPT for research, structure, and ideas. They use Claude for rewriting into storytelling tone. This combination gives extremely powerful results. Now imagine this simple workflow. You create a rough script with ChatGPT. Then you paste it into Claude and say, rewrite this in a more emotional storytelling style for YouTube narration. Your script instantly feels alive. Now imagine another workflow. You write a story with Claude. Then you paste it into ChatGPT and say, make this more concise and professional for YouTube. Your script becomes balanced. Now let's talk about free access. Both tools offer free plans. This is perfect for new creators who don't want to invest money at the beginning. Now let's talk about future. Both tools are improving very fast. Both will become more powerful in 2026 and beyond. But the real difference is not the tool. The real difference is how you use it. Now think about yourself. You are learning early. You are building skills. You are preparing for growth. And that already puts you ahead of most creators. Now here is the honest truth. Claude AI and ChatGPT are not competitors for creators. They are teammates. If you use only one, you limit yourself. If you use both wisely, you multiply your power. And one more important thing most creators never realize. AI does not replace creativity. It amplifies it. If you already have ideas, both Claude AI and ChatGPT make those ideas stronger. If you feel stuck, both tools help you move again. But the creator is always in control. Now think about your daily workflow. You wake up with a video idea. You open ChatGPT to organize your thoughts. You open Claude to give those thoughts a human voice. You record. You upload. And you repeat. This simple system alone can save you hours every week. Now think about confidence. When you know your tools, you stop feeling confused. You stop wasting time. You start creating faster. And speed is everything on YouTube. Now think about consistency. When content creation becomes easier, you post more. When you post more, you learn faster. When you learn faster, you grow faster. Now think about your future audience. They don't care which AI you used. They care how your video made them feel. Did it help them? Did it guide them? Did it respect their time? Claude helps with feeling. ChatGPT helps with clarity. Together, they help with impact. Now think about 2026. AI tools will become even smarter. But most people will still use them in a basic way. You will use them in a smart way. Because you understand how to combine them. Now think about your advantage. You are not just watching AI videos. You are learning AI strategy. And that is what separates creators from consumers. Now one final mindset. Never ask, which AI is better. Always ask, how can I use both better? Because the future does not belong to tools. The future belongs to creators who know how to use tools. And now, you are one of them. If you want to watch such informative video, then subscribe my channel and press bell icon.